Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both laptops. These radios carry discovery and data. Open Nearby Share from Settings or the Quick Settings menu and set device visibility, choose Contacts or Everyone depending on privacy. Make sure both machines are awake and unlocked so transfers won't pause. Once done, locate the file you want to send and right-click or use the Share menu, then pick Nearby Share. The sender starts advertising and waits for the recipient to accept. After selecting Nearby Share as the sharing method, you'll see nearby devices listed. Pick the target laptop name that matches its visible label. The recipient will get a prompt, accept it, and select a folder to save into or allow default downloads. Transfers usually use Bluetooth for negotiation, then switch to Wi-Fi direct or local hotspot for speed. Make sure both devices stay within range and avoid heavy network changes while the transfer progresses for reliability. Once the transfer completes, open the file to confirm it copied correctly and check the received folder path. If the transfer fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both laptops and retry. This clears stale connections. Make sure both devices have compatible Nearby Share versions and temporarily set visibility to everyone if the recipient isn't appearing. Remember to revert visibility for privacy. If needed, restart Nearby Share or reboot the laptop as a final reset to resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.